Virginia, often called Mother of Presidents, is more than just history. It's a state brimming with natural wonders and endless opportunities for adventure. It's a wild playground begging to be explored. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature lover, Virginia has something to offer. From its ancient mountains to its sandy shores, the diversity of landscapes here is truly remarkable. This state offers something for every adventurer. Imagine setting up camp in the heart of a dense forest, surrounded by the sounds of nature. Overlanding, the art of self-reliant travel, is the perfect way to experience it all. It's about the journey as much as the destination. Navigating through Virginia's trails, you'll find hidden gems and breathtaking vistas that are off the beaten path. Pack your gear, fuel your adventurous spirit, and get ready for an unforgettable journey through Virginia's untamed beauty. The thrill of the open road and the promise of discovery await. As the sun sets over the Virginia wilderness, you'll realize that this is more than just a trip. It's an adventure of a lifetime. The memories you create here will stay with you forever, and the stories you'll have to tell will inspire others to embark on their own journeys. Whether you're sharing a meal with loved ones in a picturesque park or swapping tales around a campfire, Virginia's charm is undeniable. For those who prefer 2 wheels or 4 hooves, the state offers extensive trails for cycling and horseback riding, each path revealing new wonders. Anglers and birdwatchers will find their paradise in Virginia's rivers and wetlands teeming with life and natural beauty. For the more daring, rock climbing and paragliding provide exhilarating ways to experience the state's rugged terrain and sweeping vistas. Even beneath the surface, Virginia's caves offer a subterranean world of wonder, perfect for family explorations. And for a more leisurely adventure, hot air balloon rides over vineyards and wine-tasting tours offer a serene escape. Of course, no visit to Virginia would be complete without acknowledging its rich history. The historic battlefields and reenactments bring the past to life in a way that's both educational and deeply moving. Museums and interactive exhibits provide a deeper understanding of the state's pivotal role in American history. For a unique perspective, a scenic train ride through the countryside offers a relaxing way to take in the beauty of Virginia. As you watch the sunset over the Blue Ridge Mountains, you'll understand why Virginia is a playground for adventure. It's a place where every moment is an opportunity to create lasting memories. So come, explore, and let Virginia's wild beauty captivate your heart. Your adventure awaits. Virginia's landscapes are as diverse as its history. Towering mountains give way to rolling hills, which then transition into lush forests and sparkling waterways. You can navigate challenging rocky terrain, cruise along scenic byways, or set up camp beside a tranquil lake. Each region offers a unique flavor of adventure, ensuring no 2 overlanding trips are the same. No overlanding adventure in Virginia is complete without experiencing the Appalachian Trail. This iconic trail winds its way through the state's western region, offering breathtaking views and challenging climbs. Even a short hike along this legendary path will leave you feeling invigorated and connected to nature's raw power. For those seeking true wilderness, George Washington National Forest is a must-visit. This vast expanse of protected land is home to dense forests, cascading waterfalls, and pristine streams. Set up camp under a canopy of stars and lose yourself in the tranquility of nature. Just remember to pack your bear spray, as these furry residents call this forest home. The Shenandoah Valley is a place where history and natural beauty intertwine. Rolling farmland and vineyards dot the landscape, while the majestic Blue Ridge Mountains provide a stunning backdrop. Explore Civil War battlefields, sample local wines, or simply soak in the breathtaking views. This valley is a feast for the senses and a reminder of Virginia's rich heritage. Encounters with nature's wonders. As you traverse Virginia's diverse landscapes, keep your eyes peeled for the wildlife that calls this state home. Virginia is a state blessed with a rich tapestry of natural beauty, from its rolling hills and dense forests to its serene rivers and majestic mountains. Each step you take in this diverse terrain brings you closer to the heart of nature, where every rustle in the leaves and every distant call of a bird is a reminder of the vibrant life that thrives here. White-tailed deer gracefully bound through the forests, their elegant movements a testament to the harmony of the natural world. These gentle creatures, are often seen in the early morning or late afternoon, when the light is soft and the forest is quiet. Their presence is a symbol of the wild, a glimpse into a world where nature reigns supreme, while soaring bald eagles command the skies. These magnificent birds with their powerful wings and keen eyesight are a sight to behold. Watching a bald eagle in flight is an awe-inspiring experience, a reminder of the freedom and majesty of the natural world. Perched high in the trees or gliding effortlessly through the air, they are the kings of the sky, a symbol of strength and resilience. You might even spot a black bear lumbering through the undergrowth. These solitary creatures are often shy and elusive, but if you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of one as it forages for food or explores its territory. Black bears are a vital part of Virginia's ecosystem, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. Remember to observe from a safe distance and respect their natural habitat. It's important to appreciate these animals without disturbing them, to ensure that they can continue to thrive in their natural environment. Whether you're hiking through the forest, driving through the terrain, or simply enjoying the beauty of the landscape, always be mindful of the wildlife around you. By respecting their space and observing from a distance, you can help preserve the delicate balance of nature and ensure that future generations can enjoy these encounters with nature's wonders. A humorous mishap on the road. One time while driving through George Washington National Forest, I took a wrong turn and ended up on a narrow, overgrown trail. It was one of those days where everything seemed to be going smoothly until it wasn't. The forest was dense, the trees towering above like ancient guardians of the wilderness. The trail was barely visible, more of a suggestion than a path, and I could feel the excitement of the unknown adventure ahead. My 4x4 was built for this kind of terrain, but I hadn't accounted for the low-hanging branches. The vehicle was handling the rough ground with ease, its tires gripping the earth like a mountain goat. But as I drove deeper into the forest, the branches seemed to close in, creating a tunnel of greenery. I was so focused on the trail ahead that I didn't notice the branches getting lower and lower. Suddenly there was a loud crack as a branch ripped off my side mirror. The sound was startling, like a gunshot in the quiet of the forest. I stopped the vehicle and got out to assess the damage. There it was, my side mirror hanging by a thread, a casualty of my adventurous spirit. I couldn't help but laugh at the absurdity of the situation. Here I was in the middle of nowhere, with a broken side mirror and no one around to help. I had to laugh at myself, a reminder that even experienced adventurers make mistakes. It was a humbling moment, a reminder that nature has its own way of keeping us in check. I took a deep breath, enjoying the fresh forest air, and decided to make the best of the situation. After all, what's an adventure without a few mishaps? I carefully removed the dangling mirror and placed it in the back of the vehicle. With a smile on my face, I got back in and continued down the trail, more aware of my surroundings and ready for whatever came next. This little mishap became a story to tell, a funny memory of a day spent in the wild. It taught me to always expect the unexpected and to find humor in the little things that go wrong, because in the end, it's these moments that make the journey worthwhile. The thrill of freedom and self-reliance. Overlanding is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a mindset. It's about embracing the thrill of freedom, the challenge of self-reliance, and the joy of discovering hidden gems off the beaten path. It's about connecting with nature on a deeper level and pushing your own limits. Overlanding, an invitation to explore. So, if you're looking for an adventure that will test your limits, ignite your spirit, and leave you with unforgettable memories, look no further than Virginia. Pack your bags, grab your map, and answer the call of the wild.